Hello everyone, if your GTA 5 is stuck on infinite loading, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 stuck on infinite loading easily. So first off, you're going to close your game, and once you're done closing the game, now you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go into your C drive, you're going to go into program files here, and here you're going to find a folder called Rockstar Games. Here it is. Now you're going to go into launcher, and then you're going to scroll down on here until you find launcher patcher. Here it is. You're going to right click on it, click run as administrator, and then click yes and let it run, as that will fix any issues with the Rockstar Games launcher. And once that's done, you're going to open up your Explorer again, you're going to go to your C drive, you're going to go into users, and then you're going to go into your username, you're going to go into documents, then Rockstar Games, and then you're going to go into your game. So if you're on GTA 5, you're going to go into GTA 5. If you're on GTA 5 Enhanced, you're going to go into Enhanced, and then just delete this settings.xml file from your GTA 5 Enhanced or Legacy folder. And once you delete that, now you can go ahead and play your game, and you'll see that your game will work correctly. You will not get that infinite loading anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.